strength to face the passing by. Hey, oh sweet chalice, fire burning bright. Ganja spirit, fill us with your light. Chant down Babylon in the dark of night. Lead I home to Zion with all your might. Day after day, but the wisdom of the herb showed the way. Wash away the sorrow and the dismay. Yeah, oh sweet chalice, fire burning bright. Ganja spirit, fill us with your light. Chant down Babylon in the dark of night. Lead I home to Zion with all your might. Yeah. From creation morning so it be. Herb a gift to humanity. Open up your mind and truly set your weary spirit absolutely free. Yeah. Oh sweet chalice, fire burning bright. Ganja spirit, fill us with your light. Chant down Babylon in the dark of night. Lead I home to Zion with all your might. Fire blaze, life not spoil. Deep wisdom in all the smoke where you kyle. Blessed herbs make the trouble recoil. Root smoke, rise up high. Lift my spirit, make my soul not lie. Deep in the mist, me find the wild. Root smoke, carry me to the sky. Babylon, try to lock we mind in a cage, but your light shine bright. Feel we turn the page, the ancients whisper truth, wisdom of age. Me heart beat strong on the rebel stage. The fire we blaze, I cleanse me pain. The roots we grown me, keep me sane. Root smoke, rise up high. Lift me spirit, make me soul not lie. Deep in the mist, me find the why. Root smoke, carry me to the sky. Me say burn the fear, burn the hate, burn the lies. Fire cleanse the path where the warrior rise. Each puff a prayer, each breath baptize. Root smoke guide me, open me eyes. Chalice burning, slow and steady now. Meditation flowing, teaching us how. Let smoke rise up to the sky. Jah creation, truth we can't deny. Puff, puff, pass the wisdom all around. Good vibes growing from the fertile ground. Babylon system try to hold us down, but the spirit lifting no frown. Herbal remedy for the weary soul, making us strong, making us whole. Let smoke rise up to the sky. Jah creation, truth we can't deny. Puff, puff, pass the wisdom all around. Good vibes growing from the fertile ground. From the roots deep down to the leaves so green, this ancient power always has been. Open up your mind, let your worries go. Watch the understanding start to flow. Bless smoke rise up to the sky. Jah creation, truth we can't deny. Puff, puff, pass the wisdom all around. Good vibes growing from the fertile ground. The earth it spin, the stars them blaze.